the architecture of reality. Jax sat hunched over his drafting table, the city lights a distant, mocking twinkle. His masterpiece, the apex, was a ghost on paper, its bold lines and soaring ambition rejected again. A crumpled note from his boss, Silas, lay beside it. Too risky. Stick to the basics. The basics were slowly crushing his soul. That night, he stumbled upon a forgotten article on his tablet, its title glowing in the dark, The 3 Steps to Reality. It felt like nonsense, a relic of a more hopeful time. But what did he have to lose? Step number 1, believe without doubt. He stared at his designs, trying to see not just lines, but steel and glass. Doubt was a stubborn weed, but Jax forced it down. He spent the next week living inside his vision. He meditated on the feeling of walking through its finished lobby, the hum of its elevators, the breathtaking view from its peak. He wasn't just hoping, he was remembering a future that had already happened. The big project meeting arrived. Silas droned on, presenting a design as gray and lifeless as his suit. It was safe, it was profitable, it was a tombstone in the sky. Jax felt the familiar knot of fear in his stomach, but something else was there now, a core of unshakable belief. Step 2. Speak with authority. Jax stood up. The room went silent. That design is an insult to this city's potential, he said, his voice steady and clear. The building we are going to build is the apex. It will be our legacy. Silas sputtered, his face turning purple. You're a junior designer, Jax. You don't get to decide. But a powerful investor, Ms. Anya Sharma, leaned forward, intrigued. The apex? Show us. Step 3. Act as if it's done. Jax didn't wait for permission. He booked meetings with structural engineers and city planners. He refined the energy systems. He treated the apex not as a proposal, but as an active project in its crucial early stages. He walked, talked, and made decisions like the lead architect he already was in his mind. The final presentation was a duel of realities. Silas presented his numbers and his certainties. He sold a building. Then Jax took the stage. He didn't just show blueprints, he told a story. He spoke of the light that would fill the atrium, the public gardens on the 50th floor, the way the tower would meet the sunrise. He sold a dream, a destiny. He acted as if they were simply finalizing the details of an inevitable triumph. The vote was unanimous. Months later, Jax stood on a steel girder high above the city, the skeleton of the apex rising around him. He hadn't just built a skyscraper. He had learned the architecture of reality itself. First, you build the belief. The rest is just construction.